That sudden jump you feel when a door slams? It isn't random. Your brain has a built-in alarm system, the amygdala. The moment it senses danger, it triggers your fight-or-flight response. Your heart races. Your muscles tense. Your body floods with adrenaline. This ancient reflex once saved our ancestors from predators. Today, it's why a simple jump scare can make you leap out of your seat. So, next time you get startled, remember, it's not weakness. It's millions of years of survival. You're watching Zapify. Follow for more brain facts.